So y'all, guess what I did? Okay, y'all not ready for this. I've made a very important purchase recently. I saw an ad on YouTube. I clicked on it, went to Build a Bear Workshop, and Jumbo Unicorn popped up. And I just had to get it. It was too cute to not get it. I mean, look at it. It's 3 feet tall. Let me say it again. 3 feet tall. So I had to buy it. It's not about the money, it's about the experience. I made the purchase like February 26th, like in the very early AM hours. And then March 3rd at like 5 in the morning, they said that they're stuffing it. I thought it was so cute how it said Bear House. And then like 2 hours later, they said that it was shipped. So it's coming to me from Ohio. So when I was coming up with the name for it, it's not an actual pony. So it doesn't really have a cutie mark, but it does have a heart in the place where a cutie mark would be. So I was like, what names mean love? And I found the name Esme. It's French. It said it was like an old French word, and it means loved, admired, esteemed. It's something else. I don't remember. I was like, oh, that's cute. That's unique. You know, hey, Esme. You know, since she got a crown, I was like, she could be Princess Esme. I've been suppressing my love for ponies. I got a pony poster. I got a pony collection. I like ponies. I like My Little Pony. I like unicorns. I don't want to hold back no more. This is Fluttershy. She doesn't really have a neck. Also, recently bought another kind of unicorn. It's real tiny, real soft, real cute. So now we're opening it. Build a Bear Workshop. We believe in the timeless comfort of a teddy bear hug. Sharing hugs and stuffing each furry friend with love are our ways of adding a little more love to life. Since 1997, millions of furry friends have been made around the world, and our bear builders have replaced a special heart inside them. Getting ready to introduce to you, we have Esme. Can't even throw her on the ground without hitting myself in the face. But all that's not important anyway. Okay, y'all. I don't even know what I'm pulling out. Okay. Whoa. I think by being in the box, it kind of made it shape weird, especially at the neck part. I just need to fix her neck, because her neck, something ain't right about this head. We just gonna be honest. This eye is halfway horizontal, you know. This eye just being all the way vertical. This eye versus this eye, totally different. Now the hype is gone. I don't like it. But at least my Squishmallow never betrayed me.
Yeah. Hi. Hi. 3 days later.
But there's no need to lash out. That's just how I roll. Goodbye is me. I've been talking to the camera for like 10 minutes just to realize I didn't push record. We good, y'all.